Ready?
Yeah.
Good morning. So I've just had a message off Adam Todd. He's a friend of ours who also does YouTube with old classic wagons and vintage stuff. I'll put a link up somewhere in the video to his channel. He's just like us. He likes old Gardners, and he's got a Scammell he's restoring at the minute. He's got a Leyland Hippo and a few other good interesting pieces of kit. And I just got a message off him because he's going to pop in and have a look at our Gardners and the wagons, because he's a Gardner specialist and he rebuilds and saves his Gardners. A lot of them are on boats now, but he's going to pop in because he's got cancellation. So of course I don't have the GoPro. I meant to bring it this morning anyway and completely forgot, so it's on the phone again. He's going to be coming in, checking over Gardners. I think Amanda wants a pump timing set on it because it doesn't start and run properly. It runs and starts, but not properly. I don't know whether you hear in the videos of other videos, I put Huji in here somewhere to put a link to the playlist so you can see the other wagons running and stuff. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. And I need to get in here, so I need to take off the covers off the front end. So we just put the covers on in case any water blows in. Dig out the batteries so we can throw them on and get them started if you want to start. This will be interesting. Ooh, yes, I've been wanting to get some Scammell and Gardner footage recently, and this has given me the perfect opportunity. Cheers, Adam. Just put the batteries on charge and going to unsheet them, get the batteries stung in, and then hopefully I'm here when Adam turns up. Well, that's mine unsheeted. Like I say, Adam will be here soon because he's going to have a look at the pumps. As you see, Gardner's here. I think he's going to check the pump timing on Amanda, which unfortunately is on that side, which is harder to get to, so I might have to undo the sheet and let the thing fall forward. And I need to go and see what's going on in the garage because the door's just opened. That's the engineer sheet on Amanda. As you can see, it's a little bit tight getting a run, so I might have to undo this door. So Adam's here, smile. Him and his dad are going to be doing the checking them over. Got the batteries on this one, and then I'll get the battery on mine, and we'll go from there. We'll just give her a prime up, get the diesel into the pump, hopefully help her start a bit easier. That one's under the rock. We haven't touched it in a long time, like. Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Fingers good. Yeah. I heard that click there, like. Ready?
Yeah.
Nearly. And again.
2 seconds, mate.
There we are. Oh, the rope's the kill switch.
Yeah, no, it was just holding back, so I'm just making sure it's on. Alright, go on, mate, try again.
And again.
Yeah. Hold up. Alright, go up. I don't know what he's doing right now, but I'll find out and let you know. I've got it over. Hopefully. No, it's quite well actually. Quite good.
and that because they're absolutely gummed up. You can feel it, so you get all that free and then start from there.
Yeah.
So, will it? You're seeing this off on 2 cylinders?
It can either be the pump or it can be the injectors.
Will the squeak light on the squeaking? I like that.
Find out now, eh?
Oh, squeaking one.
This is the pump that I had Rickaby's rebuilt 30 years ago now. But it's been over and around 22 cents again. Well, look at the guy advertising in Blade.
Aye.
Just pump the starter section.
Starter. Okay, doke.
Push it a tiny bit. Go on.
Not all the buttons are done.
Again.
Yeah, go on. Just getting out.
I'm not surprised things are seized because like
Yeah.
it must have stood for 10 years at a time. Like, and this one went up because I like that one more.
Yeah.
It was more usable because of the kids and you know sleeping in it.
Let's get the battery on the gun tractor. The Todds are on doing pump stuff over there. And then they're just pulling the side off the rack. Get that cleaned up. I'll pop over there and get some torch in a second. You're a bit squad.
Gums up and dries up. Inside here relies on a little bit of that, you know, the lubricant in the old fuel to keep it lubricated.
Yeah.
So what you see there is your rack's sticking already, you see.
Good deal, yeah.
So sometimes when you get the full throttle, that'll stick in that position and it will not move. So it'll not rev up. So you've got to lubricate everything. Like that, you're supposed to put oil in there and keep that topped up.
Yeah.
And go through, but I'm just getting the spanner for the back latch cover. And then I'll take that off and take the front one off and do the same. And it just stees up over time.
To be fair, we do put some engine oil in with diesel,
I
like,
was-
because
yeah, your fellow was saying the last time. So it's just one of them things you've just got to keep.
yeah,
Every once in a while, just get in, give a good spray of stuff. But you
Yeah.
cannot use WD-40 because it dries out eventually,
Right.
and then it just gunks up. So you something like a mech oil or a 3-in-1 oil, and you put that in, and keep it all free.
right.
You just got to keep everything moving. So even if you don't start them for like a month or 2 months, just come out and push them a few times, keep it working.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter about the rest, but that's the most important one.
Yeah.
Because there's little brass bushes here, so once
Yeah.
the shite gets in, it seizes on there. And there's little ones inside there.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. So you free it all up, and it'll respond quicker and
Yeah.
run nicer for you.
we'll get the gun tractor started. Head on. Fingers out.
Yeah.
Just watch yourself, put the halves on.
What?
Put half the pressures on. Right now, I just press the button.
Yeah, get the booster. No, that battery's buggered.
Just flat. That's the thing with 1240, get away with now.
Yeah. No, you can be cameraman.
I'm not doing this one.
Okay.
I let them get on with technical bits.
Not sure.
Yep. Fingers out.
Right, Phil.
So, unfortunately, well, I say unfortunately, fortunately and unfortunately, it's good news for the, well, it's okay news with the wagons. But what I've been with unfortunately is, unfortunately I missed out on getting some good cracking footage with Adam and his dad, looking over the engines. It is a work day. I'm working in between that and then going, having a look and getting some footage and stuff like that. I was doing a full service on a Audi A1, and then I've got a Fiat X19 just come in, non-runner with brakes stuck on. That's being left in the yard. And then I had to go and drop a customer off. And he's told me what I need to know, what needs done. And when I get back to the yard, I'm just at Mackey's at the minute because it's now 2 o'clock on the dot. 10 degrees, 2 o'clock. It's lovely. Long story short, or a bit of heads up now while I'm waiting for Mackey's, because this Mackey's takes quite a long time. Gun tractor, the R100, that might need a pump head on, but it's got the matching pumps and pump head from when it was rebuilt, so we want to keep them original so they may get rebuilt. Amanda, the SV2S recovery, is possibly needing a couple of injectors or injectors set on it, so we're going to be getting Adam back when he's going to speak to some people he knows with gardeners, see what I can get, and he'll be back soon to have a look at that. Next time I'll remember the GoPro. I will also hopefully get a lot better footage for you. I hope you enjoyed the footage so far, and well, I'm back doing the workshop now. Yeah, oop, there's the little Fiat. We've had a quick look at those two, but we're going to be coming back in the summer and they're going to have a look at those two. So with these, I can't show you properly because the inspection cover's back on, but this pump head here is the right one for the engine, matched to the engine. But if I can show you that, see that's kind of dry, that's soaking wet. That pump is spurting back. One of the pumps must have picked up and put a score in it, making it fluff back a bit. So that needs to go away to get rebuilt. But apart from that, this engine's good. We still need to change that fan belt. And this side, if I can climb over, I still need to take the batteries off. And this one, what was the crack with this one? I can't remember off the top of my head. From what I remember, because my head's battered today, they've checked everything off. All the rack is freed off now. He's cleaned that off and freed it off. But it wants the injectors. It's got an injector off, and it wants to tap it set and everything. So they're going to come back and do that another day when they pull the rockers off. Going to get new injectors and get them in and sorted. But apart from that, they're running all right. Amanda has had a harder life than the gun tractor. To be honest, that's just to anyone that knows has a mechanical ear. You can tell the difference. It's got a little bit of piss and sap on it, but it's fine for what it does and how hard they work, because they don't work hard at all. They just work. It's a gardener and it'll keep going forever. So should I give it a spin? What do you think? That's a stupid question, isn't it? Let's give it a spin hour. Actually, I better close the gates first. Let's jump in, press the button and see how she fires. But another thing we noticed is this one has a different exhaust note to mine. It sounds lovely. That's what we all said. Head on. Oh, I need the GoPro. Good old Union Jack. So that's on there. Let's spin her and see what happens. Lovely. Woohoo! You can hear that tap, that little bit of a knock on it. That's piss and sap, I reckon. Safe for what it does. Whatever. It's alright. It's safe and sound. It goes away when it warms up. Yeah. It never goes far anyway. And hopefully if it does start to go far, we'll be trailering it. With possibility of getting the trailer and stuff, but wait and see. This one run for a few minutes, knock it off, and then I'll... Oh, I love the sound of a gardener. Oh, you can't beat it, can you? Well, yeah. Nah. Smoking. Just knock that tick over down a bit. So I've just been and got the tripod for starting mine because mine's harder to start on. Well, you can't start it one-handed. So let's see if she'll fire up. She'll do it. Don't know why I didn't do it. Still no good oil pressure? I love the Scammells. I can't wait to get out and play with them. Anyway, that'll do for the video of the wagons today. We need to get the batteries off them and the booster pack out of mine because the battery was dead. Or didn't have enough to put it in over. It is only a 12 volt system, and if you've got 12 volt system on a HUV, then if there's not enough put in the battery, you're buggered. Hopefully I get more time on the wagon soon. I wasn't expecting that today, which was quite nice actually. And I will hopefully see you soon and get more footage and all this stuff of the wagons and playing with the toys, because it is what I like to do. And I'm hoping I get some more time on the Fiesta. Yes, because I need to get some time on that, get that tidied up and out again. I get a haircut. Yeah, I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, and watch me videos, and I hope if you like watching them anyway. Yeah, it is encouraging to know that people are watching them. So drop a comment below and a like. It does mean, it genuinely does mean a lot. And especially at the minute, this is just going off a little tangent. Especially at the minute, it is very hard and keeping going on YouTube since they've done some changes to it somewhere. Everything's dying, but it's not just me. That's the good thing. It's not just me that is having problems with people getting views and subscribers at the minute. It has just tanked. That it's dying for some reason, but hopefully it'll pick up back up soon, and hope to see you soon. Thank you, and ta-ra!